In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in AdsPower. By the end, you'll have a clean, isolated browser environment ready to use, and you'll understand what each key setting does so you can make smart choices without guesswork. Start by opening the AdsPower desktop app and signing in. Once you're in, make sure the Profiles section is visible. This is where all your browser profiles live and where you can manage, organize, and launch them. If you don't see it, look for the Profiles area in the main navigation. Next, click the New Profile button in the upper left corner of the Profiles page. That opens a setup window with several tabs. We'll begin in the General tab, which covers the basics. Give your profile a clear, recognizable name. Use a naming convention that helps you find it later, like a combination of platform, region, and an index. Avoid using any personal or sensitive information in the name. For browser kernel, choose the engine you want this profile to use. Sun browser is Chromium-based and works well with most sites. There's also a Firefox-based option if you need that compatibility. Pick what aligns with your workflow or the sites you plan to visit. Then, select the operating system the profile should emulate. Matching the OS to your target environment can improve consistency and reduce fingerprint mismatches. For user agent, you can let AdsPower select one automatically, which is a safe default for most users, or set a custom one if you have a specific device or browser signature to mimic. Finally, consider using group and tags to keep things organized. Groups are great for separating teams or projects, and tags add searchable keywords, which is helpful once you have many profiles. Move to the Proxy tab to configure your connection. Here, choose between a saved proxy you've already added or set a custom one. If you go custom, enter the proxy type, host, port, and any required credentials. Aim for a location close to your target audience for better performance, and favor stable providers to reduce disconnects. Double-check the details. If there's an option to test the connection, use it to confirm everything works. When you're satisfied with your settings, click OK to save. Your new profile will appear in the Profiles list, ready to use. You can always return later to adjust the name, kernel, or proxy if your needs change. That's it. You've created a new AdsPower profile, complete with thoughtful settings that balance compatibility, organization, and performance. Keep your naming consistent, use groups and tags, and stick with automatic user agent selection unless you have a specific requirement.